Hi, Rebecca Frazier here. Excited to show you this great home that just came on the market in Sunriver right behind me. Really beautiful color. This home is really unique. It's never been on the rental pool in Sunriver. The sellers really customized it for themselves. I'm excited to show you guys what it looks like. Follow me inside. A nice privacy wall for the hot tub. We have a beautiful entryway here. Really beautiful living space, vaulted ceilings. This is south facing, so you'll always have afternoon sun with all these windows, a lot of natural light. This is a wood-burning fireplace, and it works perfectly. Plenty of cabinet space here. Nice and clean, well kept. We do have a laundry room right in here. And we have additional pantry space, which they use that additional storage room really well. Nice sliding door. So downstairs we have 2 bedrooms. This is a queen size bed and it fits well in this space. Plenty of closet space, a whole wall full. Once again, beautiful vaulted ceilings. Full bathroom. Another large room. This is actually a king size bed. As you can see, plenty of space. We do have a little linen closet. A map of Sunriver. shower, always necessary. I love this staircase, how it wraps around. You have these beautiful beams. So up this staircase, the owners currently are using this as a master, as you can see, and an office. Nice private balcony. That's a walking trail right there, and that will take you to tennis courts. If you go west on this trail, it actually will take you to the river. Plenty of garage space for all your toys and your vehicles. So to be honest, I'm actually quite surprised by this house. It's really beautiful. It's been really well customized, and you can tell it's just been loved. It's clean. Honestly, I would say in most ways it's really spotless. The people that have lived here and built this home really took care of it. And I think with the 4 bedrooms, wood burning fireplace, location, the way that it's been taken care of, with a beautiful porch, hot tub, and a garage. I mean, that's a really great combo in Sunriver. So I think this is a really beautiful one.